A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And my name is Ronald Wekwamakusha. As we continue to explore what's happening in the nation of Zimbabwe, let us take a look on the latest victim of Emmerson Mnangagwa. So, after Christopher Mutsvangwa has been dealt with, the next person to be dealt with is Obet Mpofu. Christopher Mutsvangwa, Obet Mpofu, nechimwe chikwata, they are being accused of working together or plotting to actually remove Ndara. And Obet Mpofu wants to be vice president, is ambitious to be vice president akamirira Matabeleland region according to the Unity Accord agreement. So one of the key issues accused of not being part of the ZAPO cadres, that is the reason why he can't be appointed as vice president. But he's so ambitious to join hands with fellow comrades in the Matabeleland region as the vice president. So Majadero says, after Christopher Mutsvangwa, Obet Mpofu, who was once excused by Emmerson Mnangagwa from answering questions around the looting of diamonds, is next. Themba Mliswa chaired the committee. Louis Matutu was also demoted for stating that Obet Mpofu is a corrupt bigot. I am only a messenger. Let us explore what happened. During those days, Themba Mliswa chaired the committee Mines, and he brought Obet Mpofu and wanted the issue of 15 billion which went missing to be dealt with. Obet Mpofu ndokubva ati, I do not even know the color of diamonds and zive zvakaita diamonds, despite him being a minister of mines in the previous administration. Akaramba pachena, and is the most richest person in the Matabeleland region. Ndiye murume anevu kudarika vanhu vese. Ndiye murume ane mari in terms of cash chaichayo, akarongeka pamari kudarika vanhu vese. And we are talking about the Matabeleland region there. So Louis Matutu together nana Tsenengamo, they held my press conference avakaita nana Saibeth Msengezi, and they said Obet Mpofu is corrupt. After saying so, chakabva chachaya vakabva vadzingo kupati. Right now, he is the same person who is on the radar for actually working with Christopher Mutsvangwa to try and remove Mudara. So it's very interesting, Team Zimbabwe, to note that a lot is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. This is Obet Mpofu for you, in his hands, holding diamonds. I am a diamond. I don't get me more Obet Mpofu. Akabata iye maoko ake batirwa. This is Obet Mpofu for you, holding diamonds. But he actually said, and zive chinonzi diamond. And this is a report. I don't know how a diamond looks like. And he actually denies growing rich of government corruption. But, you know, the media will never forget, because all these issues are known. That is the reason why we take time to make sure that we talk about these issues. So it's interesting, Team Zimbabwe, these things are now happening, and these people are in real trouble. You know, apana chinoitwa pasi pezuva chisingapfuure. Zvikanzi, what's your obsession with Obet Mpofu? Inkomo ingazala umuntu onganya nyinyi, nothing will happen to Obiza. Zvikanzi, it's not me who is obsessed with him, it's his comrades. I hope this helps. So honestly speaking, these people are ambitious. Guys, that are nachokwadi. If it was you who was in politics, why sadawe requita vice president in your lifetime? Which tonzi umpati mtambo wasara uri wakabata. So you'd see that, guys, honestly speaking, sometimes you might laugh, but honestly speaking, guys, you are a vice president, zvinongonakidza kunzi ndiwe uri panyanga kana kuti ndiwe uri kurema, ndiwe uri kuremera ma-streets mazuva iwayo. And this is Obet Mpofu for you. And according to Majara Jairos, he is actually next in line is actually the next victim. Okay, what will be the fate of these people? If they are actually attacked, what will be their fate? Are they going to survive? Who are the favorites in the mind of Ramadan? Who are the favorites? Because it seems as if everyone else is actually being removed from close range nevakuru. You know, inini pandakaona Louis Matutu nemashandiro akaita. Louis Matutu is one of the youths vakadzingwa during the Mugabe days. Pandakaona Louis Matutu adzingwa Mpati, ndopandakaona kuti aiwa ZANU-PF aiwa haina sawira ZANU-PF. Godfrey Tsenenga was arrested multiple times during the Robert Mugabe era for actually confronting Robert Mugabe. Zvekuti you never thought kuti Godfrey Tsenenga achaita rombe rikungomberereka nenyika, akapedzisira akuda kuita mufundisi, akapedzisira akuti akuita zvecharity, tasiya politics. Auna kuti hazvisii keke zvinoadzoka kuti kupolitics kwacho, zvikanzi ndadzoka muZANU-PF. So it's interesting team Zimbabwe kuti zvinhu izvi zvinoramba zvichingoitika nekuitika, but vana vadzidze munhu wavari kutamba naye. Ndosaka ndichigara ndichitaura ndichiti mukuru uyu kana pari panyaya dzana Mutsvangwa idzi, guys, for those who believe kuti magimmicks ari kutambwa, endai munotsvaga history yemukuru. Mukuru uyu kana atokumaka enda kumaka for good. Ndosaka uchiona vana George vachimhanya so kunogwadama baba Anuruzvo, they actually worship that man. Is because this man kana atokusvipa and you'll be a rag. So this is what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. Politics is turning nasty and factions are actually taking a different turn. The major question is, will the other factions survive? Because the Mafia dynasty or the Mafia faction is actually consolidating faster and faster. But if you take a look on the Mafia dynasty or the faction, it never no brain. Take a look on the deputy ministers or my deputy minister. Take a look on those young ladies or my minister. Take a look on Kazambe Kazembe. Do you think Kazambe Kazembe is capable? No, I don't believe that Kazembe Kazembe. Take a look on Ziyambi. These are people who are just propaganda, but honestly, hapana chino skanwa. Take a look on one who promote kwa Virginia Mabiza, wakapromote kwa vese vai. Guys, they used over 31 million to fight corruption and recovered $0. Zero conviction, $0 recovered. This is that for you. And you tell us, could these people will change anything in Zimbabwe? I doubt. So it is what it is. We're going to watch and see, guys. We are getting into a very interesting season, very months ahead, and we are going to see kuti vana obi kana chikange chikanzi chachaya, will they survive? What are they going to do after this? Remember, kana wakaporonga muZANU-PF unogadzira bhesi rako kwekutizira, then chizwa kuti pako panokuperera. Vana Sevia Kasukwere vakaita advantage yekuti vanga vakagadzira mabhesi pamwe naWale. Vana Jonathan Moyo vakapesera atizira kwana Tezvara, and because Jonathan Moyo kaingodya mari kasemishongo yemuzana, ndosaka ikezvo izvo kuona kuti kakutoraramiswa nehurumende, kaona kuti kasato nhanzva hurumende yandirarama, and is gotten back onto the propaganda fold. So this is what is happening, and it's said Team Zimbabwe. But should I feel sympathy for Ningi, for Obet Mpofu? No, I don't, because he's just an evil old man. Arutorwisa +1, yani +hobo and hobo. These are the people who want to be your leaders of tomorrow. Personally, I don't believe they even qualify. Let us meet in other episodes and other podcasts. Let us have a discussion.